Probably isn't smart to be out here in the middle of a dust storm. Smart to be out here in the middle of a dust storm.
So we are in Odessa, Texas.
A dust storm is not smart at all.
The third largest meteor crater on Earth. So it says this is the edge of the crater.
You can't see very far ahead because of the dust storm. It feels very eerie and scary. But darn it, we're here to go see a meteor crater.
We have to watch for snakes.
Oh, it must be over that ridge. I'm scared. Are you scared?
Well, I don't have the shoes for this. So this is the actual bed of the crater that I'm walking in. It's very windy. This was an 8x12 shaft that was dug under the supervision of the University of Texas in an attempt to find large meteorite impact on the Earth's strata. No large meteorite has been found buried under the crater. So this is like right in the middle of the actual crater. Standing in the middle of it. I would assume just over time that just the sands have kind of covered a lot of it in. Kind of unique standing or walking in an impact zone of where a crater was. Hello? Is that what he told you?
It's right on the door, and he's standing there at the gate, and it's 2 minutes. I'm gonna
Just go park the car out front of the gate and I'll walk out.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Okay. All right.
All right, bye.
Massive limestone formation normally lies 22 inches below the level of the plane. Huge force of the impact parts 50 shoved literally and bolted back. This is a 17-foot deep, 70-inch in diameter, was filled and discovered with a magnetometer was used. The crater was formed by a small mass of meteorites hitting the Earth without sufficient speed to vaporize. And an estimated 6 tons of meteorites were found in the Earth under this crater. This is crater number 2. That's the big crater. They actually have a museum here, but it's closed at 5 o'clock and it's 5 minutes after 5. So we got here a little late because of all the storms. So we didn't actually get to go see the museum, but I wanted to really just stand in the crater. We wanted to go to the large crater up north, but because of snowstorms and weather, that wouldn't allow us to do it. So I'm like, well, let's go see the third largest crater. And that's why I came here. It's a very cool, unique experience though. Glad I did it. It's a quick 10-minute little stop, but hope y'all enjoyed it. I got a couple of picnic tables here. You can picnic. They got little benches that you can actually set at. If you guys come out here, there's little areas to stop along the Meteor if you want to stop and take a little break, take pictures, photos, what have you. This is our storm. This is the crazy dust storm that we're in Texas as of this March 14th, 2025 here in Odessa, Texas. The guy was actually waiting at the gate to lock it when he waved us to come in. I don't know what he expected us to do, but anyway. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. It's very eerie though. Just looking out, and it's not snow. We're used to snow in Ohio. Here it's dust. Crazy dust cloud. Thanks for coming along on today's adventure. If you've been here before, or if it's a place you want to visit someday, let us know in the comments. Make sure to hit that like, subscribe button, and hit that bell so you don't miss what's next on our adventures. And if you love what we're doing, we'd love your support over on Patreon. It helps us keep this adventure going. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.